The financial world is changing. The needs of the consumer have changed, and checking accounts have evolved to provide a lot more services and benefits than just simple transactions. And Achieva Credit Union is leading the charge with Achieva Checking Plus. And here with the details is Chelsea Wilson. Hi, Chelsea. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for having me.
So we're talking about Achieva Checking Plus. What makes it a plus?
Well, like you mentioned, the way we live, the way we function, the way we go about our everyday lives has changed, has evolved. Our needs go beyond just general transactions anymore. You know, just the way we live every day is not that simple these days. So we spend a lot of time talking to our members, surveying them, and listening to what their needs are. And we created this benefit package that is beyond your basic checking account, includes things like cell phone insurance and identity theft protection, shopping rewards, things we all can use every day.
I will say that I love that you say you heard what the needs were out there, and it is so competitive when it comes to, I'm assuming, checking accounts and savings accounts and things. So you've stepped it up. You first brought up a cell phone. That caught my attention right out of the gate.
We all have a cell phone. We all depend on our cell phones so heavily. They're expensive and more expensive every day, it feels like, so we want to take good care of them. And I know I drop my phone pretty much on a daily basis, so cell phone protection covers not only damage but theft also, up to $300 per claim. So that's a huge benefit that's just added on as part of your checking account.
And that's not the only benefit. I know so many people are still kind of hesitant about online banking just because of everything you hear with identity theft. How are you helping in that benefits, if you will?
Identity theft is the largest, fastest growing crime in the United States, and that's partly the result of some really high profile data breaches recently that we've all been seeing in the news, and we're all becoming more and more aware of that. And I would venture to say most of us probably don't pay attention to our credit report like we should. So one of the benefits here that we offer is the identity theft protection, which gives you the monitoring service. It provides alerts if anything fishy comes up, and also helping you restore your identity if something does happen. So it really just keeps you informed of what's going on with your identity.
And at the very basics, though, of course, this is a checking account and it has the same financial needs that people have.
Of course.
What are some of those benefits, though, just to make sure people know that they are still covered on a regular basis?
Of course, sure. Online banking, the mobile app, the mobile deposits, all of those services that you're used to are still part of this account too.
And you got to make sure and point that out, because again, we were just talking about that identity theft, so we had to talk about the online. And I know one of the other things too, tend to shop frequently. I'm in that boat. I'm in that boat.
If I can't find it online, I almost don't get it.
So how can this be a win-win for people who shop online as well as are interested in this?
There are tons of rewards out there, coupons, discounts, things like that for haircuts, food, groceries, diapers, things that you may be buying every day. I know one of my favorites I used was buy one, get one hibachi grill dinner. So I always love to go to a hibachi grill, and I got a buy one, get one. So it's a win-win for sure. And again, this is just part of your checking account. It's easy.
That's what I was going to ask. It's easy to get these deals and these coupons?
Absolutely, yes. So when you have this account, there's a portal that you have access to where you can search these kinds of deals, travel deals as well. I'm not even mentioning all of the benefits because we don't have enough time for that, but you have access to search all of these things and access coupons and things like that.
And I'm curious, in closing, what's some of the feedback that you're receiving so far?
Oh, it's fantastic. It's positive. We're actually saving people money, because if you're paying for identity monitoring service and cell phone protection, you're paying out of pocket for that each month anyhow. So this is a way to actually save money and get those services too.
Good stuff. Thank you so much for coming in. Where can people go for more information?
newwaytobank.com.
There you go. There's the information on your screen.